10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. The learned attorney has submitted that the aforesaid provisions should not be read and understood to be confined to retransmission of the live signals compulsorily shared with Prasar Bharati by the content owners only on the terrestrial and DTH networks of Prasar Bharati. Any such view would be counterproductive and go against the mandate of Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007. It is also pointed out the provisions of subsection 2 of Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 to contend that the possible loss of revenue arising to the content rights holder due to the mandatory requirement of sharing live feeds with the Prasar Bharati has been adequately taken care of by the scheme of arrangement of revenue contained in subsection 2 of section 3 of the Sports Act 2007. It is urged that it is in the light of the above that the provisions of section 8 of the Cable Act 1995 have to construed. It is further contended that though the Cable Act 1995 is earlier to the enactment of the Sports Act 2007, Section 8 of the Cable Act 1995 should not be understood to have been whittled down by the enactment of Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007 in the absence of any conspicuous indication of such legislative intent in Section 3 of the Sports Act 2007. At the request of learned counsel for the parties, the petition is taken up for final disposal. The public interest petition had to be filed in view of the internal disputes between the Postal Department and the Government of National Capital Territory of Delhi, which has resulted in revenue stamps disappearing from the market. In terms of the impugned order, the Department of Post withdrew the facility of sale of revenue stamps through post offices due to non-receipt of commission on account of sale of revenue stamps from Delhi Treasury. Thus, no stamps are available, causing grave inconvenience to public at large. It has to be appreciated that revenue stamps have to be affixed for the receipts and other purposes, and commercial transactions are being affected on account of non-availability of revenue stamps. Learned counsel for the respondents state that a fresh order has now been issued whereby the Department of Post has allowed restoration of the facility of sale of revenue stamps through post offices till further orders after getting the assurance from the Government of Delhi. However, the letter is not clear as to till what period of time would this arrangement continue. In our considered view, the public at large must be assured that revenue stamps would be available from post offices as usual, and if there are any disputes about payment to be settled between the Department of Post and Government of Delhi, that may be mutually settled without causing inconvenience to the public.